Beauty and the Beast is the next Disney animated classic to get the live-action treatment, and Good Morning America will give audiences their first look at the movie when it premieres the official trailer on Monday. Emma Watson and Dan Stevens stars as the titular characters in the retelling of the 1991 animated film. The film is set to premiere on March 17, 2017. Starting in 2014, Disney began mining its animated vault for films to remake as live-action features, including Maleficent, Cinderella and The Jungle Book. Others Disney movies transitioning to live-action in the coming years are Cruella, the villain from 101 Dalmatians, Dumbo, and sequels to Maleficent, The Jungle Book and 1965's Mary Poppins. Beauty and the Beast will stay true to the original music while updating the score with several new songs, according to the movie's Facebook page. Alan Menken won an Oscar for Best Original Score in 1992, and his song Beauty and the Beast, written by Howard Ashman, won Best Original Song. Beauty and the Beast is the fantastic journey of Belle, a bright, beautiful and independent young woman who is taken prisoner by a beast in his castle. Despite her fears, she befriends the castle's enchanted staff and learns to look beyond the beast's hideous exterior and realize the kind heart and soul of the true prince within.